What's going on, guys? Welcome to next week's Gold and GJ weekly forecast. Super excited, sorry, to dive into this one, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. It helps a lot. And if you like this video, if you enjoy it, please like that video as well. Okay, monthly time frame, guys. Let's go to the monthly time frame and start on gold. As usual, then we'll jump over on to GJ. So for you new guys here, we are currently inside this bullish monthly impulse leg. And anything inside here is a complex pullback. Saying that, let's jump down to where price currently is right now. And we are shifting, aren't we? This was our previous POI here. Anything above, we're looking for buys. Anything below, we're looking for sells. You can see anything above, price is going up. Anything below here, price is going down to this level. That was a target, hit that, and then we literally bounced straight from that target, and we've cleared these previous weekly highs. Okay, so we're bullish engulfing. I mean, what can we expect next week? A pullback and a continuation. That's what I'm looking for. So if we go down to the monthly time frame, what can we see? A clear breaking structure on the weekly time frame. Very, very nice. And what we're expecting as one candle closes, one candle opens. What I want to see is a pullback into here. Look for confirmations, and then we'll see, and then we'll look to take buys. However, if we push up first, we take this liquidity, we can then look for sells down to this level here, of which then we will look to take buys, continuations up to the highs. It's very nice. Now we brought back bullish on the weekly, so we're bullish on the monthly, bullish on the weekly, and bullish on the daily and the 4 hour, I'm guessing too. So let's go down, see what is happening on the daily time frame here. Again, setting up for a very nice retracement here. So on market open, if we open, we push up, and then we break the low. So we push up first, break the low. We can expect a retracement. Somewhere down, it might only retrace to here, because gold is super bullish right now with everything going on with Israel and Palestine. But I want to see a pullback into here. Look, beautiful demand zone here. This is the daily low as well. So it'd be very nice to see price pull back into here. This is a very nice PRZ as well. Potential reversal zone, if you don't use that terminology. So I want to see price pull back into here and give us a confirmation for continuations. But I also want to see price wick up first. If we wick up first here and then break the low, we can then look to take sells. Low time frame, we'll look to sell. We've got to remember, like, the sells that we've been taking the past 2 weeks, we've had a lot of really good confirmations invalidated just because of how bullish gold is. So remember that if you're taking sells, wait for the higher time frame confirmation. 30-minute candle closes, 1 hour candle closes, etc. Or you play like the daily candle momentum like this. If we push up first and then we break the low, obviously we can expect then gold, to come down. But with how bullish gold is, it might only come to here. So we've literally got to take it level by level. Obviously, I want to take buys. I'm favoring buys, but we need to get in good positions for buys. And for buys to happen, we need to pull back and get into these nice demand zones, either fill the imbalances or get into these demand zones here to get in those bigger moves then, because then we can catch the trend continuation and we can catch these lower time frame moves, each day as gold starts that new higher time frame impulse leg like this. And then we've got price, as it's working its way up, breaking the structure, it's going back down, it's breaking structure again, what price moves like this, so that's why I want to see price come down here. So obviously we take price here, the less price retraces, the less chance we've got of it continuing to pump up. The more it retraces down here, the more it's going to load up with liquidity and boom, take off like a rocket. So if we go down to the 4 hour, what can we see? Is that opening price up a little bit more? 4 hour is pretty ugly, actually. I'm not looking to trade this whatsoever. I want price to break out of here first. And again, look into these zones. If we fake this low here, close back up again, failed low or something like this, low time for breaking structure, I look to buy back to the highs. I'm looking to buy at every one of these zones. If we fail this low, if this breaks and we come down here, I look to buy at this low. I'm looking to buy gold literally at every one of these levels. So that's what I'm going to take into consideration when I'm looking for sells. I'm not just going to, get into a sell position and just expect it just to run all the way down here. No, because we've had so many fake confirmations for sells. Look, we had this engulfing here. Price tried to go down, bam, smashed. Price tried to go down, bam, smashed. Price tried to go down here. And again, look, these are solid supply zones. So solid supply zone there. And price broke straight through, bam, looked like it was going to fake back in. But as I said, like going into next week, you just got to remember what's been happening with these sells, the fake. And this is on the 4 hour as well. So we've got 4 hour confirmation, 4 hour confirmation. I mean, where's it this supply zone here? I was expecting, obviously, price to continue bearish. You know, we had impulse, retracement, and then price to continue down. We just smashed straight through, you know, and we had a confirmation here on low time frame, confirmation here, and again, confirmation at the highs, and again, confirmation here, but it's just smashing through, smashing through, smashing through. So that's why you've got to be super careful getting in the sells. And remember, while gold is this bullish, it is a good time to flip your positions if confirmation is there, because chances are it's just going to continue to skyrocket, and we don't know where it's going to skyrocket from. It could be here, it could be here, it could be here, it could be here. So, I mean, if you don't want to take risk on the sells, you can just wait for the retracements. Wait for the retracements if you want. Wait until price shows you confirmation and what you want to see. Then get in the buys. And if it fails, wait for the next level, get in the buys. Because when you're waiting for those buys, you've got a much higher chance of price continuing for big pips in your direction than you have for sells. Okay, down on the 1 hour, what have we got? A little bit cleaner on the 1 hour. Looks like we're potentially getting a reversal pattern here. But look, again, we just got fake confirmation, fake the daily high again. We didn't even take the liquidity out on the lows. We got all this liquidity. We've not even swiped on the lows. The price needs to come take all this liquidity here, start collecting some of it before it goes back up. Well, it doesn't need to, but it's got to at some point. Again, you know, we're here. Nice zone for sells. But we got to see where price is, you know, Monday morning. I don't know where it's going to open. It might open, might gap up. I have no idea. So we just got to see what happens with gold. I'm not looking to trade it till pre-London. But as I said, these are the levels. We've been over everything that I'm looking for, waiting for. You know, retracements, sells, you know, can be dangerous like this because there's been so many fake confirmation, fake confirmation, fake confirmation. Good for scalping. You can get in and out quick. But if you're trying to hold anything, you've just been smashed out the market, you know, for the past 2 weeks. So, yeah, if you're looking for sells, as I said, be careful. If you don't want to take that risk, wait for the buys, wait for it to get into your zones. Boom, confirmation, let's take it up. Okay, that one failed. Okay, boom, confirmation, take it up. Just wait for price to come to you. And then it's good time, guys. Okay, let's jump over onto GJ and see what's going on. GJ hasn't really moved. Like, price is so ugly here on GJ. And it's annoying because, again, like, it's making it difficult to hold anything on GJ. It's just messing around in this zone. But look here, look. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. Price has just been sitting in this zone up here. I mean, on the monthly, it looks small, but, you know, lower time frames, it is larger. But there's nothing really happening here. You see, price is consolidating in a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks, we're sitting here with consolidation. We're creating this head and shoulders. And again, there's no real indication what's going to happen with price this week, look, because we faked the low there. After that fake out, we got a continuation pan, which I was looking to see if price is going to close up here to invalidate that pattern. It didn't. Struggled to go up. We closed back down in the range. Closed bearish. Again, we took the liquidity off previous weekly low. This week, boom, we went up. And that's it. This weekly candle, again, what we're going to do, open here. If we open up, take the liquidity, you know, we can look to come back down and trade in this range here. But what we want to see is we want to see price get out of here. We want to see a weekly candle close down here, confirm this head and shoulders, wait for that retracement, get in on the pullback and just get in on themselves. That's what I'm waiting for here. Or for this to invalidate. If this invalidates here, we can look for buys, back to highs and continuations. But while it's sitting here, it's not going anywhere and it's irritating, to be honest. Go down to the daily. I mean, daily we're bullish. You see, look, we've got a change of character, a chock, breaker structure down, breaker structure up. It's like an inverted head and shoulders when you draw it like that, look. So again, it's all about candle closes here. Look at this week. These candles, 1, 2, 3. Again, good for scalping, not really good for swing trading or holding anything. What do we need on here? A daily candle close above here. This is what we need. Daily candle close with 183. Be perfect, be beautiful. If price fix is high, closes back in, we've got a high chance the price is going to come down. That's what I said on the weekly candle. If we push up first, take liquidity, close back down, boom, we can look for sells back to the bottom of this range. And then just play in this range until price decides where it wants to go again. 4 hour, what we're looking at here. Again, ugly. It's just ugly. Playing in the range. I think we're bearish. We are bearish on the 4 hour still. Inside this bearish leg here. So again, 4 hour lines with the daily and the weekly. We just need to get on top of here for buys. If we fake this high, again, it's strong sells. Down to the low here, or at least down to these lows. And that's it. We just need price to get out. There's nothing really we can project apart from playing between this consolidation, waiting for candle closes. What do we got? Our is just messy again. Again, we need price to get up. We need price to break out of this. While it's in the middle of the range here, not looking to trade anything. Again, if we can get up here, break out, fake out, we look for sells back in. If we can break and retest above, awesome. Just want price to be out of this chop, really. I'll trade in this chop, but it needs to fake it first. It needs to take liquidity. It needs to give us confirmation. We need to see rejection appear. You know, we're closer to the high than the low. So if we fake the low and we close back in, we look to buy. But with the 4 hour being bearish as well, you know, I'm happy taking a fake out there on the 4 hour and trading with that 4 hour price action. But again, it's all about candle closes, guys. So GJ, that's it. There's not really much I'm looking for. It's just a little bit sloppy. So yeah, on the back of that, that's it for the forecast. Guys, if you want to join us in the Discord, we're live trading every day. And we've also got the automated prop firm passing and payout process. Where are we? Here. If you want to go to the results section, guys, you can see a lot of payout proof, passing proof on here, a lot of members funded. Just about everybody that's joined the funded lab, barring the people in like the last kind of 4 weeks that are new, are funded, or at least 95% of them are. It's a solid process, guys. It's proven by a lot of people, including myself. So it's definitely worth checking out if you've got 5 minutes. If you go to the website, there's a video at the top where I break down the funded lab just from a high level view. It's like a 5-minute video. I don't want to keep you there for 30 minutes, give you a boring presentation, but it's all here. I've made the front page of the website now Black Swan. Now the funded lab, so you can see here, watch the video, up to 15 licenses, all the information's on here. If you need any more information, as I say, drop me a DM on Instagram, BenAlistairFX, and I will get back to you down a voice note. Shoot a message to the live chat. I'll just jump in, guys. Remember, all of this, I help you set it up one-to-one on a call. So when you join, what you're going to be doing is going into the Discord, and then we're going to jump on a call together and set it all up together. There's no me sending you some bullshit Google sheet and you've got to work out this, or what do I do next? No. You just join. I give you the roadmap and the direction. I give you the process. I give you clarity. And then we jump on a live together. We set everything up and I fill in all the cracks and you're ready to go. Boom. It's as easy as that. And there's no trading experience needed either. So awesome stuff, guys. Thank you for watching. As usual, remember, please like it if you like the video. If not, okay, let me know in the comments what I could do better. And that's it. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and I'll speak to you soon. Boosh.